Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to add products to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what you need to do is, here as you can see, currently I am on my store, and if you simply head over to products page, you can see we have a variety of products added, and this is exactly I'm going to be teaching you. So let's just head back to our Shopify homepage, and from there you can see on the left side of our page we have this products section at the third place. This is the exact thing we need, and now you can see we have multiple products already added in here. We need to click on add product from the top right side of the screen. Click on that, and here you can see you will be having multiple fields opened up. So if you click on add products, you can see we have title. Here you should be entering your title. You have your description, so you can also use this new AI feature to generate your description. It is going to be related to your title. You have your media, you can upload your files in here, whatsoever you would like to incorporate. And then you have your category, you have your pricing, cost per item, profit. This will be automatically be generated if you enter cost per item, and inventory, how much you have that in your stock, and then you have your shipping. So once you enter all of these details, you will be able to get to know that your product is added, and it is going to be looking something like this. You can see everything is now filled up, and once you do that on your storefront, it is going to be looking something like this, as you can see in the products section. Let me show you that keyboard. So you got the point right. Everything is looking really nicely, and below you will also be able to see the reviews that we imported. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.